Are your messages getting stuck or failing to send in Google Messages for Web? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Messages for Web when it's not sending messages. We'll go through the most common causes and several simple solutions to get your messages sending again. Google Messages for Web sends messages through your Android phone, so your phone must be connected to the internet or a mobile network. Check that Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly before trying again. Next, make sure your browser is still connected to your phone. If the connection has been interrupted, messages won't be sent until the devices reconnect. Refresh the Google Messages for Web page, then try sending the message again. If necessary, close the browser completely and reopen the website. Confirm that the recipient's phone number is correct. So if you're sending an RCS chat message, make sure both you and the other person have RCS available. Otherwise, the conversation may automatically switch to SMS or MMS. Using the latest version of Google Messages and an updated browser helps prevent compatibility issues. Install any available updates, then try sending your message again. If messages still won't send, restart both your Android phone and your computer. If needed, remove the paired device from Google Messages and pair it again using the QR code. This often resolves persistent connection problems, and that's how to fix Google Messages for Web when it's not sending messages. In most cases, checking your connection, refreshing the session, or pairing your device again will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.